Greetings, garden enthusiasts, and welcome to Herb Harmony, your one-stop guide to all things green and growing. We're here to unlock the secrets of the plant kingdom, and today we're focusing on one of nature's most fascinating phenomena, cross-pollination. It's the silent dance of genes, the unseen exchange that gives us the diverse flora we see around us. It's more than just bees and blossoms, it's the very fabric of life. Now, let's dive into the magical world of cross-pollination, where plants exchange genes for a better future. Imagine you're at a party, mingling around, sharing stories and ideas with other attendees. Each conversation is a chance to learn something new, to take a piece of someone else's experience and weave it into your own story. Now, consider a garden as a sort of botanical party. Each plant, a guest with its own unique set of traits, brought to life by its genetic material, much like our personalities and physical characteristics. In this vibrant gathering, the role of the party host is played by Mother Nature, expertly facilitating the most crucial of exchanges. This exchange is not of pleasantries or anecdotes, but of pollen. This process, my friends, is what we call cross-pollination. Just as you might find a fellow partygoer's story fascinating and adopt a part of it into your own life, plants too share their genetic material, their pollen, with other plants. This exchange leads to the creation of a new generation of plants that carry the best traits from both parents. It's like you picking up a new hobby or interest after a stimulating conversation at a party, a new piece of you influenced by someone else. And just as a party has its social butterflies, the garden has its pollinators. Bees, birds, butterflies, even the wind. These are the ones flitting from one plant to another, carrying pollen as they go, much like how a charismatic guest at a party might spread a catchy phrase or a new idea. The result of this botanical party? A stronger, more diverse garden. Each new plant is a unique blend of its parents, carrying forward the best traits of each. This is nature's way of ensuring the survival of the plant species, promoting diversity and continually improving the genetic makeup of the plant community. In essence, cross-pollination is nature's way of ensuring diversity and survival, much like a lively conversation at a party. So, the next time you find yourself amidst the hustle and bustle of a social gathering, remember the garden party happening right under our noses, where every bloom and leaf is part of a grand, life-continuing conversation. Now that we understand the concept, let's delve into the crucial role cross-pollination plays in plant breeding. Cross-pollination is nature's ingenious method of ensuring genetic diversity. It's like a grand matchmaking event where pollen from one plant's flower visits another's, resulting in offspring that combine the best traits of both parents. This process is vital in plant breeding as it allows the offspring to have a mix of genetic material, leading to stronger, healthier plants. Imagine a world where every apple tasted the same. Boring, right? Thanks to cross-pollination, we have a delicious array of apple varieties. Each variety is the result of cross-pollination, where the pollen from one apple tree fertilizes the flower of another, creating a unique blend of characteristics. Cross-pollination also plays a pivotal role in maintaining biodiversity. Biodiversity is essential for a healthy ecosystem. It's like a safety net for life on Earth. The more diverse a plant community is, the better it can withstand environmental changes and disease outbreaks. In the grand tapestry of life, every thread matters. Each plant species, with its unique set of genes, contributes to the overall resilience and beauty of our natural world. Cross-pollination ensures that these genes are shuffled and reshuffled, creating a dynamic, ever-changing mosaic of life. But it's not just about survival. Cross-pollination also leads to the evolution of new plant species. Just as an artist mixes colors to create new shades, cross-pollination mixes genes to create new plant varieties. This ongoing process of genetic remixing ensures that our gardens, farms, and forests remain vibrant and diverse. Furthermore, cross-pollination is a key tool for plant breeders who wish to develop new plant varieties with improved traits such as disease resistance, drought tolerance, or enhanced nutritional value. By carefully selecting the parent plants, breeders can create offspring with the desirable traits of both. So, cross-pollination is vital for creating a robust, diverse, and thriving plant community. It's the lifeblood of our gardens, the secret sauce of our fruit salads, and the silent hero of our planet's biodiversity. It's a beautiful dance of nature that ensures life, in all its glorious variety, continues to flourish. Let's summarize the magical journey of cross-pollination that we embarked on today. The world of plants is fascinating, isn't it? With cross-pollination, it becomes even more intriguing and vibrant. How, you ask? Remember the daily life analogy we discussed? It's like a grand mixer where plants exchange their genetic traits, creating new, diverse, and sometimes stronger progeny. Cross-pollination, as we've seen, is the key player in this dance of genetics. It's nature's way of ensuring that the plants we love so much continue to evolve, adapt, and thrive. It's like a plant version of a dating app, where pollen from one plant finds its perfect match in another plant's ovule. But unlike a dating app, there's no swiping left or right. It's all about the wind, insects, birds, or even water doing their part in this matchmaking. Now, imagine if we could have a say in this process. That's where the role of cross-pollination in plant breeding comes in. By intentionally cross-pollinating plants with desirable traits, we can create new varieties of plants that are more disease-resistant, have higher yields, or even have unique colors and patterns. It's like being a plant matchmaker, pairing up plants to create the next generation of super plants. But it's not just about creating super plants. Cross-pollination is also vital for biodiversity. It encourages the creation of new plant species and helps to maintain the genetic diversity within a species. This diversity is crucial for the overall health of our ecosystems. It makes them more resilient and able to withstand changes in the environment, including those caused by climate change. So, the next time you're in your garden, or even just taking a walk in the park, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and complexity of the plant world. And remember, every time you see a vibrant, healthy plant, there's a good chance cross-pollination played a part in its journey. We've reached the end of our journey into the world of cross-pollination. It's been an enlightening expedition, hasn't it? If you've enjoyed this dive into the secret lives of plants, we'd love if you could like this video and share it with your fellow green thumbs. And remember, the garden of knowledge never stops growing, so hit that subscribe button to join us at Herb Harmony for more botanical insights. Till next time, keep growing, keep exploring. This is Herb Harmony, signing off.